Want to replace the freezer compartment door on your refrigerator? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What you need: a screwdriver and a new freezer compartment door. Step 1. Remove the old freezer compartment door. Remove the old freezer compartment door. If necessary, use a screwdriver to do this. In some cases, the freezer compartment door has a latch. In this case, loosen the latch first by pushing it in with a screwdriver. Step 2. Install the new freezer compartment door. Place the new freezer door back in the same way that the old one was fixed. Reattach the latch, if present. You have replaced the freezer compartment door and the refrigerator is ready to use again.